Hello there. So, this is a follow up of my recently uploaded audio message. In this audio message, you are simply being guided and advised as to what you have to do or what you might have to do if you get some kind of action, communication, or offer from your counterpart. Universe simply wants you to take a step back and observe everything whenever you get any kind of communication or offer from your counterpart. Observe what they are doing, with what intention they are approaching you. Are they still in a defensive, egotistical, arrogant attitude, or do they want to lay things on the table and communicate clearly? When it's said that universe is pushing them to take action, that doesn't mean it's going to come around overnight, which means you have to check your expectations and maintain your expectations to a realistic level and avoid any kind of obsessive thinking and waiting for your counterpart to come around. At the same time, if you do, you are advised and guided not to jump onto anything, but first research and investigate about the things that you were bothered and concerned about, which means that there could still be the third person lingering around, interfering in your connection or stopping from your person from coming towards you completely and leaving that other situation all at once, which means there still could be drama, there still could be conflict, and you might get dragged along it if you jump onto the situation haphazardly, impulsively, or mindlessly. So this is the guidance for you. Please do not be impatient. Think things carefully, weigh out all your options, and visualize the outcomes you might get into getting involved with your counterpart once again. It doesn't mean you have to reject them. If you want to communicate, you can, and if you're not in any mood to communicate with them, you can simply leave the message unread and come back to it later if you'd like to reply to them or not. That's your choice. But universe wants you to take things slow and observe everything. Observe your counterpart, observe what they're saying, observe how they're acting and behaving. Is there any change that you always wanted to see? Has it happened, or they're still in the same kind of attitude they were before when they left or when you left? So these are the things that you have to look for, and basically what the universe wants to tell you is that you have to be patient for a little while longer and not jump onto anything, which means don't go and communicate if you don't get any kind of offer or communication when you're wanting and you're getting impatient and angry and upset because things are not moving forward as you'd like them or on your pace. Okay, so these are few things that you have to keep in mind. It's all for your highest good. If you get into the situation before it's ready for you and before it's beneficial for you, you might end up creating the same old situations, circumstances, and outcomes that gave you heartache and pain. So this is the message for you, and it is for your own highest good, because universe wants to give you the best. It doesn't want you to get an unripe fruit in your basket. It wants to give you a ripe, sweet, juicy fruit, that which you always wanted. But for that you have to be patient and wait for the right timing. I hope you're getting the message here. So this is the message, and I'm seeing 44 on my screen, which is the confirmation that yes, it is. Please keep this in mind and just wait for the right moment and the obvious signs which universe is going to give you as to how to deal with the situation and your counterpart. Okay, so this is all for now. I'll be back again with more loving and sweet messages. Till the time, please take care of yourself and your loved ones. Bye bye.